Meet Brooke. She wants to go check out a new apartment home, but she never has time to get there for a tour before the office closes. Check out our self-guided tour option. That's right, you can tour yourself without having to come into our office, on your time frame, at your convenience. Follow these 4 simple steps to a self-guided tour. Number 1. Schedule on our website. Click Schedule a Tour. Select a convenient date. Select a convenient time, and choose the self-guided tour option here. Fill in your information. Number 2. Verify. A. Connect with us with text and email. Scan your driver's license, ID, or passport. Cheese, smile. Say cheese. Take a selfie to confirm your identity. Number 3. Access. Check your text and email for appointment confirmation date and time. Smart lock PIN access code for your appointment time. Number 4. Tour. Go enjoy your self-guided tour and tell us what you think. We are sure you're going to love your new apartment, community, and home.